What's going on, everyone on YouTube? Griffin here, coming back to you guys with another video from the Millennial Motivation Entrepreneur YouTube channel. First and foremost, before we get going, if you're new to the channel and looking to join an awesome community of like-minded people looking to achieve financial freedom this year and beyond, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button below. We now have over 650 of you. I think there's about 670 of you to be exact. It's just awesome to see this community growing day by day, week by week, even though I've kind of been off the grid, so to speak, with this channel for about 2 weeks or so now. I apologize for that. It's been super busy, and I've been trying to update you guys in Discord here and there on my trades and whatnot. Honestly, a lot of it is still my mic on my laptop is still giving me issues, so I'm looking to buy one of those here as soon as possible. I thought I could get it fixed, but it just seems to be going completely out on me finally. And then I have been shooting videos with my phone, of course, and then I lost my headphones as well, so I was just having a hell of a time the last couple weeks with trying to get a video posted. And then I was going to do a live stream from my phone, and then apparently YouTube made it where if you don't have 1,000 subscribers, you can no longer do a live stream from your cell phone, only laptop and computer only. So just another reason to help get us over that 1,000 subscriber count as soon as possible. We're only about 300 away now, so we'd love to have you here. But anyways, to the whole point of the video, obviously you guys know that I've been playing around with the micro mini futures, and yes, I still am paper trading them for the most part. If you want my full game plan, hop in our Discord group chat. I'll try to link that in the description box as always if you're not already in there. I believe there's about 90 to 100 of us in there as well. Awesome to see that community growing as well. But we've been trading the new micro E-mini S&P 500 for the most part, along with some oil here and there. And if we go to the Discord picture that I posted, actually, you can see my year-to-date P&L year-to-date, this middle column here, the FTRPR. I don't even know why I can't get that to disappear. I have no it says I have a 5-share position. I don't hold any. That's why you can see the P&L says 0. I don't know, some kind of glitch with the app. I never traded that in my life as far as I'm concerned. But as you can see, year-to-date, we are up over $900 on /MES. If you're wondering what my contract sizes usually are, they range from usually 1 to 5. The largest contract position I've ever placed was 10, and that was this last week on a position I closed for up $300 to $400, somewhere in that range. And like I said, I try to update you guys. You can see through here, we all try to keep each other pretty posted, but go back to my picture here. Yeah, like I said, we're up over $900, and I've only placed, I think, somewhere right around 5 to 10 trades. So, I mean, if you want to kind of guess how much is in commissions, I would say, if you want to be liberal about it, take $100 off in commissions. So, I mean, I'm up $700-800 over the last month since I started trading these micro E-mini futures. So that was pretty cool. Last week we closed finally on my 10 contract position that, like I said, made us about $300 to $400. So we made a lot of that over the last week and a half. It was actually a short position on /MES. I placed it right around 3,000 because you guys know that I think 3,000 is a brick wall for the S&P 500. And that obviously played out this last week or so. I started buying some shorts. I bought a couple, like 2 here, 3 here, 5 there. Kind of just all the way up. The highest that I bought some shorts was right around 3,015, 3,020, somewhere in that range is where I bought my last 2 or 3 positions. But my average buy cost was somewhere right around 3,004 is where I got in on average. And then we sold it somewhere around like 29.80 or 29.90, somewhere in that range. I don't remember to be exact. Maybe we can go into my orders here and see. Apparently it won't. Okay, so let me see. So it was a 5 contract. It wasn't 10. It was a 5 contract position, and it was at 29.89.75. So a little bit higher than I expected. But like I said, it was between 29.80 and 29.90. So it was a 5 contract position. Like I said, we made over $300 on that position overall. So can't really complain too much. Other than that, though, I haven't really been trading oil too much. Oil's been a little bit tricky over the last couple weeks. We seem to be stuck in this range between, say, right around like $52 to upwards of 60, 64 on average. We got up to 66 obviously recently, and then we've kind of been on this downward slope ever since. We got back up close to 62. 52 seems to be the support, and 60 seems to be the resistance right now, and we're right in between, right around $55, $56. So I'm just going to kind of wait with oil. I personally think it's going to keep going down. However, it has been down quite a bit over the last week, so I would not be surprised to see some kind of dead cat bounce at least up to $58 in the short term. I wouldn't be surprised, but either way, I will not be playing this tonight or probably at all early this week at the minimum. If we get some kind of direction, like if we break below 52, then I might go ahead and go on the short side or possibly a short-term long if I think there's going to be some sort of bounce. It just depends. I'll keep you guys updated for sure. But just waiting for some kind of direction essentially with oil. And to be honest, same thing with the overall market. Foresight MES, personally, I think we're going to keep going down, at least short term. We haven't really had a true correction yet this year. As far as I'm aware, at least we had that little hiccup somewhere back in June, I believe it was. We had a little bit of a hiccup where we lost like 5% or something, but we haven't had a true correction yet this year. And like I said, I think 3,000 is just a brick wall. It looked like we were going to get above it and stay above it once we got to 30.24 on MES, but obviously, we got rejected and came back down. The good thing is yes, we did make more new all-time highs, but we're barely squeezing them out. 3,000 is still a brick wall for this market, and until we can actually get above it and stay above it, I am still under the impression that, yes, we are still within this bear market. The market has still been pretty much unchanged now for 15 to 17 months. So until something gives, one way or the other, I'm just kind of playing it to the short side for now. You guys know I generally do not like to short the market because long term the market always goes up, of course. But right now, I mean, I'm just playing it to the short side. And once I think, okay, we're kind of overextended on to the downside, then I will go ahead and switch back to long. But you can even see on our MACD and RSI, we got plenty of room to fall. Our MACD is just now showing indication that selling is going to be starting to pick up, and it's already started to pick up, obviously, on Friday. So it'll be interesting to see kind of how this week plays out. Are we going to try to push back above 3,000, or are we going to continue to go down and maybe even retest 29.50 within the next few days? That'll be interesting to watch. But as of now, I'm not planning on making any trades tonight. I just want to kind of see how the market opens up Monday, and I might place a trade by Tuesday or Wednesday. Just depends on how the market goes. I'll definitely try to update you guys as I make my decisions and whatnot. I'm going to be trying to upload a lot more now that I finally at least found my headphones. And like I said, I'll be buying a mic soon, so we will soon get back to the live streams that we used to do very, very often. But I'm going to try now to get back to posting at the minimum once or twice a week. If I make any trades, I'll try to upload a video for you guys, letting you know when I got in, when I got out, all that good stuff. And then obviously we'll have the Sunday recap where I kind of just recap any trades that I made for the week, anything that I'm holding longer term, and why I decided to do so. So like I said, if you haven't already, definitely consider subscribing below. And like I said, check out our Discord group chat. Like I said, I don't know how many exactly there is of us. Let's see, there's about 14 live right now and 78. So there's about 90 to 100 of us, 92 I think to be exact, of us in there. And like I said, it's just an awesome community of like-minded people just throwing ideas off one another at the end of the day. So if you're into that kind of thing, definitely check that out in the description box. We're not super big. We're not a huge community where you can't even talk to the people you want to talk to. It's hard to reach people, those groups. But our group is very nice and tight little community and whatnot. I think you guys would definitely enjoy that, especially if you're newer to the markets and newer to making your money work for you. And then lastly, before I end this video, you guys know that my fiance is going to be having her baby very soon. The due date is August 5th. I will be taking some time off of work and whatnot, but I still plan on uploading plenty of videos for you guys in between that. And I know there's a lot of you guys, surprisingly a lot of you, that are following me that are from the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And a new thing that we just started recently, if you guys want to go check us out on Facebook, it's GNT Furbishing. This is just a page that me and my fiance, we manage. And this is just something that I kind of started doing over the last day or last week or two. We essentially just find furniture that looks like it could be refurbished. And like you can see, this is one I just finished up this week. Went and picked this up for free, and then I turned it into this little farmhouse type of look and selling it for like $100-$200, hopefully, is the goal. But if you're all into that, or if you all know anyone in the Dallas-Fort Worth that's into that, definitely just shout me out. I definitely appreciate it. Or if you guys just want to go over there and support me and like that page, I definitely appreciate that as well. You guys have given me so much support over the last couple of years, and I can't stress enough how much I appreciate you all. But like I said, if you're not in Discord already, definitely hop over there. If you have any questions for me, it's so much easier to get a hold of me through Discord usually than it is the YouTube comments. YouTube comments is kind of hit or miss. It's supposed to send me a notification every time someone comments, but sometimes it doesn't, and then I have to actually go in and look at my analytics, and then I see that, oh, it didn't tell me about 2 or 3 comments, and then I feel bad because I haven't replied to your comments, and it's been like 2 weeks. So if you comment and I didn't comment back to you, more likely it's just because YouTube's been messing up a lot lately. They're definitely not being very nice, to say the least, to the content creators. But like I said, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video too. If you did, definitely make sure to smash that like button. I greatly appreciate it. And if you have any questions or anything, like I said, you can comment or you can reach out to me personally on the Discord group chat app. We'd love to see you all over there. But until next time, guys, keep on going out there, making your profits, covering your profits, and achieving some financial freedom this year. And I will see you guys in the next video very soon. Take it easy, guys.